Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and Pepe has been quite good, performing quite really well in the past few days, most than any other meme coin I've seen, better than Dogecoin, better than SHIB as well. And yeah, so you pumped up, you went down, and you're coming down again for a retest. So things are still looking pretty good. Now there's one more thing I want to show you, all right? And this still means that Pepe is quite bullish and not really negative. And actually, it may be time to start another push to the upside. So number one, yesterday I showed you a trend line on the daily that, yeah, you broke above it, you came for the retest, which is pretty normal to me. So you had one touch here, you had the second touch, the third one, you broke above it, you came down, you touched it like this. That's pretty sweet. Now there's one more thing I want to show you on the 4-hour time frame as well. And this is, I think, probably the best outcome right now. And at this point of time, I want you guys to follow this channel as well, and if you're new, of course. So the thing is, look at the 4-hour time frame. This is an inverse head and shoulder, and I want to take in this one right there. So you got this left shoulder right there, we got your head right here, and we probably are looking for this right shoulder. Okay, this is an inverse head and shoulder, and we do also have the neckline right over here above. So I'm just gonna drag it like this, perhaps. And when you talk about an inverse head and shoulder like that, you can see that this is your neckline right over there. Okay, so it looks like you broke above the inverse head and shoulder. You came for a nasty retest where you just took all the stop losses right there. And if I zoom in here, we are probably just on the verge of confirming a retest. So the retest, let's talk about the retest here. If this V, there's a little bit of a V going on right there, okay? So if you break above here, right, that pretty much is going to be a very successful retest. So it's about a matter of time, and you also have a trading opportunity of nearly from there to there, just a very small scalping opportunity as well, which is going to be 8.68% as well. Okay, so eventually you're looking for probably just a break above here, and that pretty much takes you up to here, and that's not the end of it, by the way. So let's talk about the technical target of inverse head and shoulder as well. So here we are, and I'm going to drag this screen on the left, gonna take this top to that bottom right here, and you place it right over there, and boom, you have a technical target of all the way up to 22,000. So we're still looking for another push that may be 57% to the upside. Now one thing I want to make very clear, that for me the end is going to be 10,000, right? If I do see Pepe coming down all the way to 10,000, I think that's pretty much the end of it. All this, breakouts and support and resistance just go out the window, goes to the trash. Keep that in mind. All right, you want to be very careful. Pepe doesn't really come down there. So that's it for this update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.